Grilled peaches are so easy to make and everyone loves them. I'm Justin from Cooking with Coit. I specialize in clean comfort cooking. And remember, if you love this video, make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons. Let's get started. Let's first go over all the ingredients you need to make this recipe. Peaches, butter, sugar, and cinnamon. The one piece of special cooking equipment you're gonna need for this recipe is a grill or grill pan. Guys, I am so excited to show you this recipe today. This is actually the first time I've ever made grilled peaches in my entire life. I know that's probably crazy, but it is so delicious and I'm so happy that I learned this recipe and now I'm showing you guys. So the first thing you need to do is to take 2 tablespoons of melted butter and drop it into a small mixing bowl. Next, we're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. This is cane sugar. We're also going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And the cinnamon really gives these peaches like a nice fall vibe to them. So I think you really are gonna like it if you like cinnamon. Now let's give this mixture a quick mix until it's all well combined. And this is how it should be looking right about now. Now let's grab out our peaches and we are going to cut them in half. Now I really tried to find ripe peaches this time, but again, I feel like my store just doesn't have ripe peaches for any reason. I have no idea why. So these peaches are a little bit underripe, so I probably won't have the greatest results. It definitely is way better to use ripe peaches if you can find them. So let's just give these a quick twist to open them up, like so. Now I want you to grab out a small spoon and we are going to pull out each of the pits. And you can just dig a little bit of a kind of shallow hole around them if they're having trouble coming out. Now make sure you guys scoop out all of these really dark bits. That's kind of like where the seed was really holding on to the fruit. So I just scrape over these guys and just try to scoop them all out without damaging too much of the peach. For the next step, grab out this butter, cinnamon, and sugar mixture that we made earlier. And I like to use a brush here. And I'm just gonna brush this mixture straight onto the tops of the peaches. Now you don't need to be concerned with brushing the bottoms of the peaches, just the tops. And it's okay if this mixture kind of pools where the pits were, that's totally fine. For the next step, you either need to head out to the grill or I have a grill pan because I do this inside. I love using a grill pan because they give you these really beautiful grill lines on your food, just like you'd get on an outside grill. But of course you're cooking inside, so everything is really nice and controlled. So grab out a little bit of olive oil, and I would do this on my grill outside too. What I'm gonna do is just brush a little bit of olive oil over the grates of this grill pan. And that's even more important to do if you're cooking on a grill so that nothing sticks to the grill grates. Now we're gonna take our peaches one at a time and put them face side down in the grill pan. We're gonna let these cook for anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes until the peaches have become tender. All right guys, these peaches have been cooking for just about 14 minutes and they are looking so beautiful. Let me show you how they're looking. Look at that. So now I'm just gonna give these peaches a quick flip and cook the other side for just about 2 minutes. All right, these grilled peaches are totally done and they look so incredibly delicious. I cannot wait to give them a try. But before I do, if you love this recipe and you wanna see more just like it, check out my healthy recipes playlist. Okay, let's give these a try. These grilled peaches come out so incredibly perfect. They've got the perfect amount of sweetness and cinnamon and just a little bit of smokiness from the grill pan. Guys, you've got to give these a try. They are so incredible. I'll see you in the next video.